Hi, welcome back to our channel. We are going to take you through the Maldives trip that we did for my 27th birthday that lasted for 8 days. But we divided that into local and luxury both because Maldives has two very different sides and we wanted to explore both of them. This Maldives series will be in two parts. This is part 1 where we will discover the luxury side of Maldives, the private islands, what it has to offer and how much it costs to stay there. And in the next part, we will show you the local islands, the public islands of Maldives. So let's get into this video and start with exploring the luxury side of Maldives and how much it actually costs. Starting with the flight expense, we paid 58,000 for 2 people for the round trip and the visa was free. At the check-in counter, we were asked for our hotel bookings, which you need to have for the entire duration of your stay in Maldives, and for the Muga form that you need to fill while going to the Maldives and coming back from Maldives. Once you get closer to the Maldives, you'll start seeing the islands from the plane itself and they look absolutely stunning. After landing at the Maldives airport, you'll see that all of the resorts in Maldives have their own stalls and counters. All you need to do is go to your resort's counter and they would be ready to pick you up and take you to the location. As for the Maldives airport, you will be able to find pharmacies and food joints in the airport. Just make sure you're not carrying any alcohol because alcohol is illegal on the land of Maldives. Our resort picked us up on a speedboat and we zipped through the blue waters to reach our private island. The name of the resort that we booked was Centara Ras Fushi. We booked it from Agoda and we paid 99,000 rupees for 3 nights. After arriving at the resort, we received a very warm welcome. They took care of our luggage, took us to a really nice reception area, gave us welcome drinks while they assigned us our rooms. And then we went on to explore the little island and check into our water villa. So I didn't know that Rohit had already informed them that it was my birthday. But when we entered the room and I saw the decoration, I was blown out of my mind. They had this little happy birthday written with leaves and a champagne bottle and a tiny cake that we had so much fun drinking and popping and eating in the deck area. Speaking of the deck, we had sunbeds and bathtub on the deck with a fabulous view of the sunset. Coming back to the property tour, the entire property is run on an app with whatever room service, food, dental kits, whatever you want. You can just book it on the app and somebody will come and deliver it to you. After the water villa, it was time to go in the beach villa. This is what you wash your feet with when you come back from the beach. The beach villas, in my opinion, are much more spacious and luxurious than the water villas, but of course you don't get that infinity view of the water from here, but you do get a beautiful view of the beach and direct access to the beach, which you can go to anytime you want. Now let's go and explore the island, the bars, the restaurants and everything else that it has to offer. So this is the first bar that we went to. It's called the La Brisa bar. It has this beautiful sitting outside on the beach where you can have your drink. And the one by the pool here is called the Waves Pool Bar, but we chose the beach to hang out and didn't really go to this pool bar. And honestly, no regrets. We had so much fun spending our afternoon in the water. Like, we are totally water babies, as you can see, and we love the water. We can spend like days at the beach. Now let's go to the view bar. It's the bar that you see right here. It has those famous Instagram worthy hammocks that everyone clicks a picture, and of course we did too. But it's not, that's not the only thing about this bar. It has this beautiful whatever this is, a hole in the middle where you can see the fishes, and at night the chandelier shines so beautifully. The camera cannot do justice to it, but this was so gorgeous. Obviously this was one of the best hangout spots at the island. This offered one of the best sunsets we saw in Maldives. I mean, we were covered by these orange skies. And on my birthday eve, there was this DJ night that View Bar was hosting, so we spent the night there. This island has one Arabian restaurant, one Asian restaurant, and one buffet restaurant. And all your package meals will be at the Oceans, that's the buffet restaurant. And they got me a cupcake on my birthday morning, which was so sweet of them. The total of all the food and the drinks that we had at the property, which was not included in the package, it was somewhere around 38,000 rupees. So the total of the trip came to about 1,95,000. And that was it for our Maldives luxury experience. After this, we go to a local island, and that will be another video. So stay tuned for that. And obviously, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Till then, bye bye.